East Texas Storm Team Forecast.
Welcome back to East Texas Live. We are checking in with meteorologist Carson Vickroy for a look at the forecast. Carson?
Yes, Corinne. I just kind of wanted to recap real quickly what we saw in Tyler on Tuesday night. Now, these were straight line winds. We did not see a tornado, but the strength of the straight line winds, well, that was the equivalent of an EF1 tornado on the strong side, with 100-mile-per-hour winds being reported in the central part of Tyler right there inside the loop. That's where we saw the majority of the damage. Warren City, just to the east of Gladewater and Highway 271, peak wind gusts were at 95 miles per hour, and the strength of the winds traveled about just over a mile, and the width of the most extensive damage, there was extensive damage outside of this circle, don't get me wrong, but where those peak wind gusts occurred, that width was about 50 yards. Now, live look outside in Tyler, we are dealing with the clouds. Looks like it might rain a little bit, which the potential is there this afternoon. I just don't think everybody's going to see the rainfall. But Longview, similar situation. Those nice, comfortable, non-threatening looking stratus clouds, they're out there right now, but we could see a little bit of drizzle a little bit later on. Upper 60s, lower 70s. It's 72 in Henderson. We are at 68 degrees in Gilmer and Longview, 67 in Tyler, 70 is the reading in Marshall. Now, low-level moisture continues to increase from south to north, and you can see these dew points have been driven up into the 50s and 60s, so the moisture is there, but the front is not, so we don't really have enough lift for widespread precipitation. We would need a cold front for that. We just don't have it. We will be at 81 degrees. We have plenty of warmth and energy, about a 20% chance of showers and storms. Winds could be a little gusty too this afternoon, so we'll keep an eye on that. Tonight we're down to about 68. Stray shower or two cannot be ruled out at this time. Here is that Easter weekend forecast. Already mentioned, we're going to be at 81 degrees today, 84 for tomorrow, 79 Sunday. But both of these days we are tracking the potential at some isolated shower and thunderstorms. Doesn't necessarily mean you have to cancel those plans, because in the morning hours, I think we're going to be fine. It's with that afternoon heating. That's when we could start to see those showers and thunderstorms beginning to pop a little bit. Satellite and radar, not a lot here in our area, but this cold front, that is going to be what really drives our weather pattern with those rain chances both Saturday and Sunday. Front's going to approach us for this afternoon, and you saw in our southwestern counties, that's the best chance of rain at this point. But 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, maybe you're getting together with your church to do an Easter egg hunt, or you're getting into the community for Easter egg hunt. I think it's going to be okay tomorrow morning. Now, as we roll into tomorrow afternoon, a little bit of a different story. We will have to keep a watchful eye on this, because a couple of bubble up showers and thunderstorms, these could become quite intense, and I cannot rule out some large hail and some gusty winds with some of these storms. So we'll keep an eye on it, but those will rush off to the south and to the southeast, and then by 8 o'clock Sunday morning, we're dry here in East Texas, but we could see additional waves of energy to our northwest, and those will dive to the south, and we could see a few more bubble ups in deep East Texas. But marginal risk of severe weather for most of the area tomorrow, and then for your Sunday. Eastern counties do see that marginal threat as well. Threat will decrease from west to east throughout the day, though. Next 7 days, showers and thunderstorms, as I mentioned, possible tomorrow and Sunday. Not going to be a widespread event. 70s Monday and Tuesday. We'll be in the 80s Wednesday and Thursday. Deep East Texas, showers and thunderstorms this weekend. We get a break Monday and Tuesday. Corinne?
KETK's Job Board is sponsored by Goodwill Industries of East Texas.